This video is sponsored by Rockland Flooring. Visit our website for more information.
Can you imagine a world without the invention of the wheel? I can, and let me tell you, it is not pretty. For one, fleet operations would be a literal and figurative drag. I mean, can you imagine trying to transport this without any wheels? Talk about a slow delivery time. And don't even get me started on trying to move around heavy equipment and machinery. Without the wheel, we'd probably be stuck with primitive tools and brute force to get the job done. Given how crucial wheels are to our daily lives, it's only fitting to ensure that they are properly maintained and kept in optimal condition. Don't worry, we aren't attempting to reinvent the wheel, but rather provide you with some valuable information on how to ensure their continued reliability. We talk a lot about the importance of preventative maintenance in every segment of the industry. From your oil drain intervals to your tire pressure, there's a lot of things to consider. But one of the most crucial operations to actively keep an eye on is the one that literally pushes your vehicle forward. Here are some go-to tips to help keep your fleet's wheels on a roll. This one should be obvious. Keep them clean. Wheels and tires get the brunt of the harmful elements since they're the most exposed to the road. If not cleaned, a buildup of mud, chemicals, corrosives, and/or grime could cause some serious damage and abrasions. It's best for the appearance and overall performance of the wheels to keep them looking sharp. Cleaning your wheels also acts as a great time to check for any cracks or rust that could be forming. This is especially important for off-road applications or trucks operating on uneven surfaces, like construction zones or mountainous terrain. These are the ones most prone to damage. We all know that should cracks and rust go unrepaired, it's only a matter of time before it gets worse. That said, address any issues you might find as soon as possible to lessen the severity of damage. Establishing pre-trip and post-trip inspection guidelines specifically for wheels can help ensure that these checks are being done regularly and consistently. This could include checking tread depth, tire pressure, and overall state of the wheel. Along with inspection guidelines should come a fleet program to check torque based on duty cycles and operations. Start by checking all of the wheel cap nuts for proper torque after first use or removal, and check on wheel nuts during service stops. It's also important to check that torque wrenches are properly calibrated and wrench sockets are not worn to ensure accuracy during servicing. As a best practice, service techs should be calibrating torque wrenches regularly for best results. Excessive or inadequate wheel torque can lead to failure of the wheel mounting and loss of the wheel. Be sure to follow wheel torque recommendations from your designated supplier. Speaking of following protocol, always follow installation instructions and maintain proper lubrication of the wheel and its components. Diverting from tried and true methods for the sake of time or convenience could be at the expense of performance and reliability. A simple rule of thumb regarding the frequency of checks: the older the wheel, the more the inspections. With proper maintenance of your truck's wheels and assuming they are being used for the appropriate application, the wheels should last the entirety of the truck's lifetime. For more trucking and equipment content, roll over to the Fleet Equipment site at fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.